This video covers Home Assistant versus Google Home. Choosing the right smart home platform can transform your home automation experience without complexity or limited control. Home Assistant offers deep customization, while Google Home focuses on ease and voice integration. Home Assistant and Google Home are two popular smart home platforms. The core difference lies in control and customization. Home Assistant provides an open source, highly customizable system, while Google Home offers a user-friendly, voice-driven experience integrated with Google services. Home Assistant is an open-source smart home platform designed for advanced users who want full control over their devices and automation. It runs locally on your own hardware, such as a Raspberry Pi or a server, ensuring privacy and reliability without depending on cloud services. Home Assistant supports thousands of integrations, from lights and switches to security cameras and sensors, allowing you to create complex automations tailored to your lifestyle. The platform offers a powerful dashboard for monitoring and controlling your smart home with customizable interfaces and scripting options. However, its setup and maintenance requires some technical knowledge, including networking and software configuration. Ideal users are tech-savvy individuals or enthusiasts who prioritize privacy, flexibility, and extensive device compatibility, and are comfortable managing their own system. Google Home is a smart home platform built around Google Assistant, focusing on ease of use and voice control. It connects seamlessly with Google services, making it simple to set up and control devices through natural language commands. Google Home supports a wide range of smart devices, including lights, thermostats, speakers, and cameras, with an emphasis on plug-and-play convenience. The platform offers routines that automate multiple actions with a single command, ideal for everyday tasks. However, it relies heavily on cloud processing, which can raise privacy concerns and requires a stable internet connection. Customization and automation options are more limited compared to open source alternatives. Google Home is best suited for users seeking a straightforward voice-first smart home experience without the need for technical setup or advanced customization. Comparing Home Assistant and Google Home highlights their different strengths. Home Assistant excels in privacy, local control, and deep customization, making it perfect for users who want to tailor every aspect of their smart home. It handles complex automations and supports a vast ecosystem of devices, but demands technical skill and time investment. Google Home, on the other hand, offers quick setup, intuitive voice commands, and smooth integration with Google services, ideal for users prioritizing convenience and simplicity. However, it depends on cloud connectivity and limits customization options. In real-world scenarios, Home Assistant suits those managing many devices or seeking advanced automations, while Google Home fits casual users wanting effortless voice control and smart routines. Choose Home Assistant if you want full control, privacy, and advanced customization for a powerful, locally managed smart home system. Google Home is the best choice for those who prefer easy setup, seamless voice control, and integration with Google services. It delivers a smooth, user-friendly smart home experience without technical hassle. Pick the platform that fits your lifestyle and smart home goals.